Okay, we continue on question 1d. You know, in a paper fee is complicated. It has to have a complicated theory. It's another but relax. The result is here. So the fx satisfying all these things is like this, okay? So we even make it easier, a equal 1, so this is 1. Okay, so consider gx equals this thing, so find fx, so find this thing. So in the here you saw it, we have a g dash x, so first step you need to find out g dash first, okay? Differentiate this one, so it become ex plus x ex, okay? And then substitute this g dash and g into the equation, so we got f equals exponential integration g dash is ex plus x ex over g dash minus g. Okay, copy. And after copying it correctly, you will find out some cancellation, simplification. Can you see it? Yeah, cancel out. What remains in the denominator is ex, and ex cancel out again. Wow. Yes, it's a high school IB question. Okay, how can it be complicated? It pretend to be complicated, but you can solve it. You just need to move on, be brave, and then you got this. What's the result? Integration. So what is that? Okay, so it should be x plus x squared over 2. So we got the thing is x plus x squared over 2. Okay, one more thing, you need a constant d, okay? Why? It's because this is an indefinite integral. Okay, yes, there's some like freedom. So e to the power d is b. Okay, you can say it equals b e x plus x squared over 2. B is and the positive number. Yeah, positive because exponential number is positive. You did it. Yeah, you see a very complicated question, but actually the step, if you just follow it, you can do it. See? Yes, you can do it because we are cool. Well done. Okay, see you for next section.